Running this wire next to the RCAs won't cause any noise. As I can see how it may look like a power wire, but these are two totally different wires. They both resemble a 4-gauge wire. They both have like a matte kind of color finish to them. This one is a 4-gauge power wire, and this one is a multi-conductor wire. They are not the same. It was a clean strip, you gotta admit. So due to all the comments, I just kind of want to clear some things up. I think you guys haven't seen this wire before. This is a power wire, 100% OFC copper. This one right here is 9-wire, or what we call multi-conductor wire. The reason we call it that is because it has 9 different wires in it. Have your 8 speaker wires and a blue one for your remote turn on. These are 18-gauge primary wires, and the run that you have is 20 feet long. When we're installing our 4-channel amps, this stuff right here is a game changer. It doesn't matter if we're trying to bypass the factory amp or if we're running the wire from behind the radio. We can actually install this, go into our aftermarket amplifier, group together in this nice little jacket, and it kind of resembles just running one wire versus 4 different pairs or 5 different sets of wires. Running speaker wire next to the RCAs will not cause any type of engine noise coming from the engine, because this is not a power wire. If you guys need some 9-wire, they are on my website at jpsaudio.com. It's your boy JP signing out, hoping everybody has a blessed day. Peace.